I'd like to get a garage refrigerator kit for a GE refrigerqator/freezer unit.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. I'm not sure exactly what your question is. Are you looking to find a place where you can buy the garage kit? Or do you need to know how to install it? Because the kit comes with instructions that can explain the procedure for the most part. Or did you have another question about the kit?
I'd like to get a garage kit for a GE refrigerator Model GSCS3PGXSS. It is a side-by-side 22.7 chew. Featuring refrigerator with dispenser. What will the garage kit do? Does it affect my warranty, or do the manufacturers just want the easy way out? Do I need to be worried about an indoor ice and water dispenser system? I had planned on insulating the water line. Where can I get one? Do these kits vary by manufacturer or all basically work the same? Thank you.
You will not be able to use the ice and water dispenser in the garage if it gets below freezing in the garage. There is no kit that will allow you to use this without possibly flooding the garage when it freezes. Aside from that, only Frigidaire/Electrolux makes a garage kit. There is no kit for this refrigerator. Sometimes you can use the Frigidaire kit on other brands, but not on this mode because it's got circuit boards. The garage kit just clips onto the thermostat wires and provides power to a small heater which heats up the refrigerator thermostat. This will warm up the thermostat so that the compressor turns on when the garage gets too cold. Otherwise, the refrigerator will get too cold when the temperature drops below 32 degrees and the freezer will warm up. That's what the garage kit does, but again, you cannot convert the model refrigerator, you have to work in a garage. The best option you have is to stick a small 15-watt light bulb on an extension cord inside the refrigerator so that it provides just a tiny bit of heat during the winter months so that the thermostat will kick on the compressor.
The salesperson at PC Richard, appliance store in NJ, indicated that although GE does not sell a garage kit for its models, you can find what amounts to a heating blanket that you throw over the refrigerator in the very cold periods. Does this make sense? In your suggestion of a light bulb on an extension cord, is the idea that the temperature is cold enough in the garage so that having the refrigerator door partially open, cracked open, because of the cord, has little effect on the refrigerator contents? The light bulb heat is enough to turn the compressor on, which gets the freezer section freezing? Does this have significant energy side effects? Do you feel it will shorten the life of the unit? Would I be better off purchasing a model with a garage kit factory installed, and if so, are you familiar with such? Thank you.
A heating blanket over the refrigerator might do the trick, yes. But it would really only lessen the effect, not correct for the issue. As for the extension cord, the small crack created by the cord will have little to no effect on the unit. It will not shorten the life of the refrigerator at all, and there would only be significant energy side effect if you left the light bulb on during the summer when the unit is already having a hard time cooling down. Otherwise, the energy consumption would likely be less than what the refrigerator uses during the summer months by quite a bit. And I don't know that any refrigerators are sold with garage kits factory installed already. But you can always buy a Frigidaire freezer on top, refrigerator on bottom model, and they sell the kit separately that you can order and install without voiding your warranty if you wanted a unit that is set up for garage use.
I assume the light bulb is best placed near the thermostat area, or where the dials are for setting temperature?
That is correct. Just make sure you use a light bulb that adds a little heat, but not enough to melt plastic being left on all the time.
On this issue, would you recommend having the light on one of those timers so that it is not on all of the time? Should I use a normal appliance bulb, the type that are in refrigerators normally? I get that, as you say, use approximately 15 watts or lower? I suspect the wattage may vary on the actual refrigerator and that I should be careful to have it not up close to plastic that might melt. I spoke with Frigidaire and they said their garage heater kits are only for installation on models that have freezers on the top.
You want the light bulb on all the time whenever the temperature is below 45 degrees in the Garga or so. An appliance bulb is 40 watts and much too hot. That will melt the liner. You need something smaller. And yes, I believe I had told you that the garage kits were designed for freezer on top models as well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.